I'm going to show you how to make these time travel vlogs in 16:9 made for YouTube. First, go to our website in the description at aicenturies.com. Go to the GPT library and search for a GPT called Time Travel Vlog. Then click Start Chat. The GPT gives you two options. You can put yourself in a vlog, or you can put a famous person in a vlog. In this case, we're going to put ourselves in a vlog, so we click Put Yourself in a Vlog. The GPT will ask which time period you want to travel to. For this example, we want to time travel to the Titanic in 1912, so we type Time Travel to the Titanic in 1912. The GPT will then give you text-to-image prompts and text-to-video prompts. You can use these prompts and they're already in chronological order, just like a real vlog. Copy the first text-to-image prompt you received and go to OpenArt. Inside OpenArt, go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Then select the Nano Banana 2 model and upload a reference character or a photo of yourself. In this case, we're uploading a reference character. Paste the text-to-image prompt into the prompt section. Then choose 16:9 output for YouTube and set the resolution to 2K. Select how many images you want and then click Generate. You'll get images like these. The GPT also gives you the option to create new text-to-image prompts and text-to-video prompts. You can do this by simply giving it a short description of what you want to see. For example, you can type eating. When I type eating, I get 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts. This way, you can create a full vlog with different movie-like shots. We also typed inside bedroom, and the GPT gave us 5 more text-to-image prompts. Using this method, we created these images in OpenArt with different shots of a character vlogging on the Titanic. Once you've selected all the images you like, you can go back to the GPT model and upload those images. In this case, we picked 7 images that we liked the most. Then you can simply ask, I need exactly 7 video prompts, 1 for each image. The GPT will then give you video prompts with dialogue for each image. You can adjust the dialogue if you want. First, copy the video prompt you received from the GPT. Then, if you don't like the spoken script, you can edit the dialogue in a Google Docs document. It's really easy. Once you've prepared the video prompt you want to use, go back to OpenArt. This time, go to the Video tab and click Frame to Video. Now select the Kling 3.0 model and upload the image you want to animate. Make sure it's the image that belongs to that video prompt. Paste the video prompt into the prompt section. Turn on audio. Keep in mind that the spoken script needs to fit within that same duration. In this case, we used a duration of 6 seconds and a resolution of 1080p. Then click Generate and you'll get a video like this. Sometimes the AI can create a bad result. That happened to us on the first try. The character wasn't holding the phone anymore. If that happens, you can simply click Generate again, and you may get a better video. Just keep in mind that AI can make mistakes, so it will probably cost you some credits. Another thing you can try is changing the video model. For example, in this case, you can also use Seedance 2.0. It will cost more credits, but if you want a better result, you can use the Seedance model to make your videos. Choose the image you want to animate and paste the video prompt into the video prompt section. Turn on audio, select 1080p resolution, and use the same duration of 6 seconds. Then click Generate again. And as you can see, the character is now holding the phone correctly, and he's actually vlogging. Now take all the generations you made with Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0. Open a video editing program like Premiere Pro, place all the video clips next to each other, and export the full video. There's one more thing you need to fix. In the video generations, the voice keeps changing.
It's in my life. This staircase is unreal. Room? Wait, this is actually really nice. I'm sitting in first class right now. It's so peaceful out here.
To make the voice consistent, you can use a feature in Higgsfield AI. Go to Higgsfield AI, open the Audio tab, and select Change Voice. Upload the video you edited in Premiere Pro. Then choose the voice preset that matches your character and click Generate. Now you have a vlog with one consistent voice.
This ship is huge. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in my life. This staircase is unreal. It feels like I'm inside a palace, not a ship. This is my room. Wait, this is actually really nice. I wasn't expecting this level of luxury in 1912. I'm sitting in first class right now. This is insane. This looks like a 5-star restaurant. It's so peaceful out here. Just the ocean and the stars. You'd never think anything could go wrong. That's an iceberg. We're way too close. This is not good. This is really not good.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.